here we are a month and a half later, and Denmark has decided it's time to move on, even though they're recording a little over 40,000 cases a day. Of course, they've announced that they reserve the right to bring restrictions back if the situation changes, but paying less attention to the case numbers and more attention to severe hospitalizations is a direction countries are beginning to go in. Spain has announced their desire to move to the endemic phase, where they also pay less attention to case numbers and focus only on hospitalizations.
Some experts believe case count reports prompt unnecessary worries. It is now suggested that government officials and the public review death counts and hospitalization data when considering precautions. Next.
Per an HARVARD T.H. article, the expectation that COVID-19 will become endemic essentially means that the pandemic will not end with the virus disappearing. Instead, the optimistic view is that enough people will gain immune protection from vaccination and from natural infection such that there will be less transmission and much less COVID-19 related hospitalization and death, even as the virus continues to circulate. Some experts believe case count reports of dramatic
It's day 8, the second Saturday that people have come to Parliament to make one demand: a total end to COVID mandates and restrictions across the country. But the federal government remains steadfast. No negotiations.
I came down here to support my brother-in-law Johnny. This is his truck right here. He drives for Gerard Transport. We came down to support him and also for the freedoms for our country. We're really disappointed in what our government has done with mandating stuff. We're not against the vaccine. We don't care about that, but what we do care about is the fact that we have to have the vaccine to go to restaurants and travel.
David Rempel came to Ottawa with his family to express their frustration with restrictions he says are continuing to adversely affect their lives. He's not alone. Kelly Hale from Kemptville lost his restaurant because he refused to enforce mask mandates or check for vaccine status.
In November 13th of 2021,
understand, but we're at a point where we need to respect each other's views. Cheryl Prince says she is unable to get vaccinated or wear a mask due to numerous health conditions. Can't even take my grandchild who lives with me anywhere.